precise and it did hit the target, and he came out with flying colors in the test. So the Brahmin was basically disappointed and asked the first prince to step back as he was not ready. The same answer was repeated by rest of the brothers as well. Then when he asked the same question to Arjun, in reply to Drona's query, Arjun sharply replied that he could see only the bird. Drona was filled with emotion and had asked him to shoot. Arjun obeyed the command instantly and the bird dropped on the ground. A happy smile came to Drona's face. "Only you, little prince, have learned my wisdom," he said. "A man who has to shoot straight and swift sure must keep his eye only on the target and be blind to all else." Arjuna and his brothers and cousins did not forget the wisdom of the Brahmin. When they grew up, the princes were so skilled with the bow that people came from far and near to see them shoot. The cleverest of all was Prince Arjuna. Now, Drona happily declared that one must fix his attention only to the object that he wants to hit. That is, the key to success is like fixing your target or fixing your eye to the target. He admired Arjuna for adopting his teachings, for his sincerity, for his dedication towards learning. Soon their skill and art in shooting spread far and wide because they all had learnt a lesson, and slowly they were all they very much took up the training and they were all skilled, and many people came from distant even to witness their skill. Now we come to the question answer part. Please keep a pen and a copy and keep taking notes. First question: what did the boys learn from Drona? I repeat, what did the boys learn from Drona? The boys learnt from Drona that deep attention is the key to success. One must be forgetful to others and stick to his own aim. I repeat, what did the boys learn from Drona? The boys learnt from Drona that deep attention is the key to success. One must be forgetful to others and stick to his own aim. Next question: what kind of test in shooting did the holy man give? I repeat, what kind of test in shooting did the holy man give? So this is a question where we have to describe the setup that Drona had made to conduct the test. So in answer to this, the holy man had put the toy bird hanging from the tree and had asked princes to get ready to shoot. This was the first step. I repeat, what kind of test in shooting did the holy man give? The holy man had put the toy bird hanging from the tree and had asked princes to get ready to shoot, which was the first step. Next question: why did Drona sigh at the reply of most of the princes? I repeat, why did Drona sigh at the reply of most of the princes? You remember what was the common reply of all the brothers excluding Arjuna? They said that they could see their guru, they could see the tree, they could see the bird, they could see their brothers, their cousin, and this disappointed the guru, Drona. So we have to write that. See, why did Drona sigh at the reply of most of the princes? Drona sighed at the reply of most of the princes because the reply of the others was far from what he expected, as it lacked their attention towards the target. I repeat, Drona